We've also received a grant from the Conway Foundation for a classroom set of iPad minis that will be starting in our early childhood classes. So starting and the Faith in the Future Foundation has given us $7,500 to use for tuition assistance. And that is because everyone sees the commitment and dedication, not only of the faculty and the staff, and the pastors and the board, but you, the parents, who support everything that we do, who entrust your children to us. We are grateful for that. And everyone is beginning to get the word, Our Lady of Hope, best school ever.